Make money on Gumroad. There's something powerful about creating something from nothing, taking an idea, shaping it, and putting it out into the world. Gumroad makes that possible for anyone. It's not just a platform. It's a place where your skills, your creativity, and even your smallest experiments can turn into real income. Whether you write, design, teach, or simply have knowledge someone else needs, Gumroad gives you the freedom to share it and get paid without complicated setups or long processes. In this video, we're breaking down how Gumroad works and why it's one of the simplest, most beginner-friendly ways to start earning online. You don't need a huge following. You don't need perfect products. You just need the willingness to start. Together, we'll look at how creators are building sustainable income with Gumroad and how you can take your first confident step today. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll have at least one product idea you can launch today. To begin with, what exactly is Gumroad, and why is it worth your attention? Gumroad is a super user-friendly platform designed for creators like you and me to sell digital products directly to our audience. Think ebooks, online courses, printable templates, stock photos, music tracks, software tools, you name it. Quick question for you. Which of these categories are you secretly good at? Hold that thought, because we'll use it in a minute. No inventory headaches, no shipping drama, just pure digital delivery. Founded back in 2011 by Sahil Lavingia, Gumroad has paid out over $500 million to creators worldwide. That's real money in real pockets. Here's where most creators get hooked. The setup takes less time than microwaving dinner. Sign up for free, upload your file, set a price, and boom, you're live. They handle payments via Stripe or PayPal, and you keep about 90% after their small fee. No coding required, no massive marketing budget. It's perfect for side hustlers, freelancers, or anyone with knowledge to share. And get this, average creators earn their first $1,000 within months. If you're into passive income, Gumroad is like that reliable friend who works while you sleep. Alright, quick pause. Comment ready if you're already thinking of your first product, because now we're getting practical. Step 1. Signing up and setting up your profile. Head to gumroad.com, click Start Selling, and enter your email. Verify it, and you're in. Now, flesh out your profile. Upload a professional headshot. Use Canva if you need a quick design. Write a bio that's authentic and magnetic. Something like, helping busy parents meal prep like pros with simple, tasty recipes. Keep it under 150 words, but pack it with value. Add links to your socials, website, or newsletter. And here's a pro tip. Enable two-factor authentication right away for security. Once that's done, explore the dashboard. You'll see sections for products, customers, analytics, and payouts. It's intuitive. Spend 10 minutes clicking around. We'll use these in a later step, so don't skip this. Now the fun part, deciding what to sell. This is where most people mess up, so pay attention. The key to crushing it on Gumroad is solving a real problem for a specific audience. Don't reinvent the wheel. Leverage what you already know. Ask yourself, what am I good at? What frustrates my friends? What's trending in my world? Let's brainstorm categories. If you're a fitness buff, sell workout planners or yoga pose guides. Writers? Offer prompt packs for novelists. Designers? Stock graphics or font bundles. Marketers? Email swipe files. The digital world is endless. Validate your idea fast. Jump on Reddit, Twitter, or Quora. Search for pain points like struggling with social media captions and see the complaints roll in. Here's where AI supercharges things. Just like in that viral story. Fire up ChatGPT and prompt, give me 10 digital product ideas for your niche that solve common problems. Boom! Ideas galore. For example, if you're into music, like that Suno AI experiment, create a guide to prompting AI for hit songs without copyright headaches. Test demand by posting a poll on LinkedIn. Would you pay $7 for a 50-prompt AI music generator cheat sheet? Watch the yeses pile up. Once you've got an idea, niche down. Broad is boring. Specific sells. Instead of a fitness ebook, go 7-day hit for desk jockeys over 40. This attracts raving fans who feel seen. Research competitors on Gumroad. Search keywords like AI prompts and see top sellers. Note their pricing. Most hot products are $5 to $49. Under $10 for impulse buys. Higher for in-depth value. Validate further with a minimum viable product, or MVP. Don't overproduce yet. Sketch an outline, 20 pages, 10 video modules. Use Google Docs or Notion to map it out. Time estimate, 5 to 10 hours for your first one. Remember, done is better than perfect. But it doesn't stop here. Step 3. Creating your killer product. This is where you pour in the value. If it's an ebook, use Google Docs. Free, collaborative, exports to PDF seamlessly. Structure it like a conversation. Hook with a story, deliver solutions in bite-sized chapters, and with bonuses like checklists. Leverage free tools to speed things up. ChatGPT for drafting. Write a 500-word chapter on topic in a friendly, expert tone. Edit it to sound like you. Authenticity wins. For visuals, Canva's a lifesaver. Drag and drop templates for covers, infographics, even mock-ups. Want audio? Record in Audacity. Edit in GarageBand. If it's a course, use Loom to screen record lessons. Quick and personal. Bundle it with worksheets in Google Sheets. Pro hack. Repurpose content. Got a blog post? Expand it into an ebook. Old webinars? Chop into mini modules. For quality check, read it aloud. Does it flow? Get beta feedback from a friend or online community. Price it based on value, not hours. If it saves someone 10 hours, charge $20. Undervalue and you undervalue yourself. And finally, the point most people overlook. Step 4. Launching on Gumroad. Back to the dashboard, click New Product. Choose a digital file, upload your PDF or zip. Write a compelling title. Unlock AI music mastery. 200+ prompts for Suno hits. Description? Make it scannable. Bullet points on benefits, testimonials if you have them, and a clear call to action like grab it now for instant access. Set your price. Start low to build reviews, then bump it. Enable pay what you want for accessibility, or add variants like basic versus premium. Customize the sales page. Upload a hero image, add video embeds if it's a course. Link your email capture, integrate with MailChimp for free leads. Hit publish. Share the link everywhere. Post on Medium for SEO juice. That's how one creator ranked #1 and drove daily sales. Tweet threads breaking down a tip, linking to your product. Reddit subs like r/side hustle or r/entrepreneur love value first shares. Email your list. Hey, solved my AI woes. Here's how you can too. Track everything. Gumroad's analytics show views, conversions, even top refers. Aim for 1 to 5% conversion on traffic. First sale? Celebrate! It's proof. If you stop here, you'll miss the step that actually gets results. Now, let's talk about scaling up. That $518 you saw in 2 weeks? It wasn't luck. It came from steady traffic and smart funnel systems. Start by creating free, valuable content. For example, publish a Medium article that gives a preview of your paid guide. At the end, include a simple call to action. Want the full prompt list? Join my email list here. Once you're collecting emails, nurture your audience with weekly insights, tips, or mini tutorials. Then, when the time is right, send a targeted offer. Exclusive discount for subscribers? 50% off for the next 48 hours. Next, diversify your traffic sources. Use YouTube Shorts to share quick tips, Pinterest pins for visual products, and TikTok demos to showcase value. Collaborate with other creators. Appear on podcasts, co-create content, and tap into new audiences. And don't forget upsells. After a customer buys, send a follow-up email like, "Enjoyed the prompts? Explore my advanced course for just $27. Now, before we wrap up, there's one last thing you need to understand. For more advanced strategies, consider launching a membership on Gumroad to create recurring revenue. Something like $9 per month for exclusive updates. Activate the affiliate feature and let others promote your product for a 30% commission. Optimize your product page with strong SEO keywords such as Best Gumroad AI Tools. If you have the budget, experiment with Facebook ads and target lookalike audiences based on your existing buyers. Be mindful of common pitfalls. Don't spam, focus on building trust. Stay compliant with taxes. Gumroad issues 1099 forms when required. And keep your products updated every quarter to maintain customer satisfaction and encourage positive reviews. Let's be honest, success on Gumroad isn't theoretical. It's happening every day. Your mindset is critical. Treat this as a real business. Set measurable goals like 3 sales in my first week. When something doesn't work, adjust. Low traffic? Refine your headlines. No conversions? Increase the value or strengthen your offer. Consistency compounds. Publish weekly, engage daily, and keep showing up. Take advantage of resources available to you. Gumroad University for platform-specific advice, books like The $100 Startup for entrepreneurial inspiration, and communities such as Indie Hackers for support and feedback. Equip yourself with the right tools. Buffer for scheduling social posts, ConvertKit for email marketing, and Ahrefs free tools for basic keyword research. You definitely need to watch the next video titled Make Money with Threads, which is all about a method anyone can use starting today. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. It is a game changer when it comes to boosting your income. See you there!